Want to make your photos look cooler, more aesthetic, or even viral ready? Today, I'll show you how to edit a photo using the Capcut app, quick and easy. First, download Capcut if you don't already have it. Open the app, tap New Project, and then choose the photo you want to edit from your gallery. Once your photo is in, you can adjust the basics. Tap Adjust to play with brightness, contrast, saturation, and shadows until your photo pops. A little adjustment goes a long way, don't overdo it. Next, make it aesthetic with CapCut's filters. You can go for warm tones, cool vibes, or cinematic looks. If you want something more creative, try adding special effects like blur, glitch, or even light leaks to make your photo stand out. Want to make it trendier? Add text for captions, stickers for fun, or even overlays like sparkles or neon to match TikTok vibes. You can resize and move everything around until it looks perfect. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've turned a plain photo into an eye-catching edit with CapCut. Now, save your work, share it on TikTok, Instagram, or anywhere you want and watch the likes roll in.